You bought it. You hated it. Now you want your money back. Sounds easy, right? Wrong. Returning things in America has rules. I learned them the hard way. Let me save you. Quick story. Last month I returned a hat. The clerk smiled. I thought I won. I had not won. I'd like to return this.
Do you have the receipt?
The receipt? I might have thrown it away.
No receipt, no refund. Store credit only.
Store credit? I don't even shop here.
Then it's not very useful, is it?
Rubin. In America, the receipt is everything.
But I have the item. And the tag.
The tag helps. The receipt is the boss.
Here's lesson 1. Always keep your receipt. In America, returning without a receipt usually means store credit, not cash, not your card back. And some stores say no completely. The magic sentence, "Do you have the receipt?" They will ask. Be ready. My tip, take a photo of every receipt the moment you leave the store. One photo. That's it. Future you will say thank you. Real talk. The receipt is not just paper. It's proof you bought it, when you bought it, and how much. Without it, the store owes you nothing. Nothing. If you really lost it, ask nicely. Some stores look it up by your card or phone number. But don't assume. The photo is the safety net.
Also, some stores email you a receipt. Check your email before you cry.
I want to return this. I opened it.
You opened it?
Yes, I opened it. I also played with it for 3 hours.
Did it break?
No, I just didn't like it. Is that a crime?
Not a crime. But opened items? Some stores say no.
Rubin, why did you open it before deciding?
I was curious. Curiosity is free.
Curiosity is free. The return is not.
Lesson 2. Check before you open. Once something is opened, clothes worn, food unsealed, electronics activated. Many stores will say no or give you less. Key phrase. Is this returnable if I open it? Ask in the store before you rip the package. And read the tag. Some say final sale or open box, no return. Those words are final.
Some things can't be returned at all: swimsuits, earrings, open software. The tag tells you.
Earrings? I returned earrings once. The clerk looked at me like I was a ghost. My new rule. I don't open anything I might return until I'm 100% sure. The tape stays on. The mystery stays sealed. I'd like to return this. From last year.
Last year? What month?
A nice month. Maybe October? Or was it a Tuesday?
Our return window is 30 days.
30 days. I've owned it longer than my laptop.
Then it's not a return. It's a memory.
Rubin. 30 days. Not 30 months.
But it still works. Mostly. The left side makes cold coffee.
That's not our problem, sir.
Lesson 3. Every store has a return window, often 30 or 90 days. After that, no. Not with a sad story, not with a smile. The sentence to learn. What's your return window? Ask before you buy, not a year later. My tip. If you might return it, do it within the first week. Don't be like me. Don't wait for the left side to break.
The window starts on the purchase date, not when you finally noticed the problem.
Pro tip: save the email receipt. Digital receipts have a date, and the date never lies. Unlike me, who said Tuesday.
Okay, I'll refund it.
Cash, please.
It was paid by card. I refund to the card.
But I want cash. The card is my mom's.
Then the money goes to your mom's card. Rules.
The rules are attacking me personally.
May I see your ID?
ID? For my own money?
For the refund, yes. ID, please.
Just show it, Rubin.
Fine. Here. Take my whole life. Lesson 4. Refunds go back the way you paid. Card to card. Cash to cash. You usually can't swap. And yes, they may ask for ID. That's normal, not an insult. Key phrase: can I get it refunded to my card? And always bring ID. One more tip: if you have no receipt, expect store credit. Money you can only spend here. Not bad, just here.
The ID is for your safety too. Stop someone else using your card refund.
The mom's card thing? Yeah. I send her a screenshot. She sends a thumbs up. We are a modern family. Receipt? Yes. Opened? No. Within 30 days? Yes.
Perfect. Refund approved.
Approved. Do you hear that, brother? I won.
You followed the rules. That's all.
Following rules feels like winning now.
Here's your refund. Card, as expected.
The card is fine. The card is my friend.
You cried last time about the card.
I was a different man then. So here are your 4 rules. 1. Keep the receipt. 2. Don't open it till you're sure. 3. Return it inside the window. 4. Bring ID and expect the original payment back. Do these, and returning in America is easy. Almost fun. Almost. Rule 0, the secret one. Keep the box. The original box. Stores love the box. No box, no pity. I wrote the 4 rules on the fridge. The fridge is my law office.
You followed 4 rules and still told the clerk about the cold coffee.
And the biggest lesson? Read the return policy before you buy. Standing in the store like a normal person. Not after, like me. Returns done. Next challenge? The warranty. But that's a story for another day.
Reuben, thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.